So let's do this beautiful cat eye gel design. You are highly welcome back, my love. So as you can see, our nails is nicely prepped, okay, and then we're going to be adding our base coat, okay. Guys, like I used to say, always apply your base coats before you go on with your design, okay, so that your nails can stick on the nails. Yeah, so this is a particular base gel we are going to be using. It's actually a black jelly gel, okay. That is what we're using for our base, guys. Like I used to say, black is base is actually good for cat eye designs, okay, so that your designs can pop out very well. You can use other colors, it will still come out fine, but black and red is actually very preferable. So this is what is looking after curing for 60 seconds, and let's just dive into the video, okay. So this is particular black and cat eye gel we are going to be using, and this is our magnet we are going to be using. So basically what we are going to be doing, okay, just apply your cat eye gel, okay, and then use your magnet. Today we are going to be using this pointed mount, okay. Guys, like I used to say, all these mount has different designs that it will give you, but for today we are going for this particular design. So guys, the trick is you place your magnet under. As you can see the way I'm holding the magnet and I'm placing it. Oh my god, guys, as it's built, so I have to know we do it again. I will apply the cat eye, and then yeah, let's continue, guys. You place your magnet under, and then you start directing the cat's eye to where you want it to be, okay. You want it to be the middle, you have to do it round, okay. So just use your magnet to just place the cat's eye where you want it to be, okay, and then you cure. I don't know if I'm making sense, okay. If you place the magnet on top while directing your cat's eye, the whole cat's eye is going to vanish, okay. You can try it and you see the whole cat's eye is going to vanish. So you place it under, okay, while you are directing, just the way I am doing it, okay. And that is basically all we did for today's tutorial, so you can actually watch and enjoy it, okay. So guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video, so please give me a thumbs up, okay. Help me like this video while you are watching it, okay, and subscribe to my channel, because we upload new videos every week, twice every week, every Mondays and every Friday. So please turn on your post notification as you subscribe, okay, so you get notified whenever we upload a new video, guys. And for my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me, because without you guys, there is no Vanessa Fina and there's no Vanessa Beauty World on this YouTube space, okay. So please keep supporting, keep engaging on my videos, so that YouTube can keep pushing out my content to other viewers, okay. That's the only way we can actually grow, and that's actually the only way you can tell me thank you and encourage me, okay. So we are done with that particular hand, and then we'll move over to the second hand. And guys, it's actually the same thing that we did, okay. There are so many beautiful cat eye designs on our next video after this one, okay, where I'm going to be showing you guys a video how to use the T mounts. As you can see, the cat eye magnet has five mounts, okay. The one at the middle is actually giving star effect, so the next video we're going to be using the T mount, okay, and that is how we're going to be using different cat eye designs, okay. So stay tuned, and then See you guys in our next video. I think this all for now. This is basically all we did for today's tutorial. Okay, I just applied the cat's eye gel and I use your magnet to place it where you want it to be, and that is basically it. Okay, allow it to pop out very well. And guys, this nails came out very beautiful. You can stay to the end of this video so you will see the finished result. It came out so beauty, so pure, so pretty. So as soon as you're done, you apply your top coat. Guys, look at how it's already popping out even without applying top coat. Okay, but we still have to apply our top coat. It's very important, okay, to seal the design the way it is. Okay, top coat gives you that extra shine and to seal your design in, to lock your design in. Okay, you will apply your top coat and you will also cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and yeah, we are good to go. Guys, this is the finished look. Guys, cameras is not actually doing justice, guys, to be honest. Cameras is not doing justice to this beauty. Guys, if you see this beauty in real life, it was so beautiful. It is very beautiful. Okay, so guys, like I said, my personal business is going to be starting very soon. I'm going to be launching very soon. Okay, so please follow me on other social media platform. Okay, so that you can order and patronize me. Okay, you can either follow me on Instagram, which is Vandy's Beauty World, or you type in Vanessa Fina, Vanessa underscore Fina underscore, or via TikTok, which is Vanessa Fina. All right, see you in our next video. Okay, bye bye. Mwah.